Hi there, tiny home enthusiasts, budget warriors, and people who just really hate mowing large lawns. And today, we're looking at the best two-story tiny homes you can buy for under $19,000. Are they a dream come true or a disaster waiting to unfold? Let's find out. Today, we're diving into the world of prefab two-story tiny homes on Amazon. Because who needs a mansion when you can have a foldable mansion? Let's explore 5 two-story tiny homes under $19,000, their advantages, setup costs, and of course, their disadvantages. Spoiler alert, one of them might fold on you, literally. First up, we have the foldable small house for $12,999. Yes, foldable. It's like a burrito, but for living in. This 20-foot 30-foot beauty comes with a bedroom, kitchen, toilet, and bathroom. Compact and foldable. Easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for backyard living, guest houses, or off-grid homes. Customizable layout, designed for comfort with a functional bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom setup. Quick assembly prefabricated structure allows for fast installation with minimal labor. Eco-friendly, uses energy-efficient materials, perfect for sustainable living. Affordable housing solution, ideal for budget-conscious homeowners, travelers, or rental property investors. Whether you're looking for a tiny home, office space, or guest house, this prefab container home provides a cost-effective and modern living solution. Perfect for adults who want to live large in a small space. Advantages: it's foldable. Great for people who love origami or just want to confuse their neighbors, and great for a minimalist lifestyle. Customizable. Add a bedroom, a kitchen, or even a tiny disco ball if you're feeling fancy. Affordable. At $12,999, it's cheaper than most cars and way more livable. Setup cost delivery $1,000 because Amazon Prime doesn't cover foldable houses yet. Assembly $2,000 unless you're a DIY pro, in which case, good luck with the instructions. Disadvantages: it's foldable. So if you forget to lock it, you might wake up folded into a taco. Limited space. Your pet goldfish might feel cramped. Next, we have the 2025 affordable prefab tiny home for $13,999. It's like a time traveler's dream. Live in the future today. This one's perfect for a backyard office, guest house, or a hideout from your in-laws. Advantages: affordable. It's in the name, folks. AC assembly prefabricated panels allow for quick and hassle-free installation. Eco-friendly and energy efficient. Built with sustainable materials to reduce environmental impact. Cost-effective living, a great alternative to traditional housing at a fraction of the cost. Multi-purpose use, ideal for full-time living, a home office, rental property, or vacation retreat. This modern prefab home offers a sleek design, affordability, and convenience, making it an excellent option for those looking to downsize, invest, or create additional living space. Versatile. Use it as an office, guest house, or a place to store your collection of tiny hats. Sleek design. It's so modern, it might just charge your phone by looking at it. Setup cost delivery $1,200 because time travel isn't cheap. Assembly $2,500 unless you're a time traveler with a wrench. Disadvantages: it's from 2025, so you might have to explain to your neighbors why your house looks like it's from the future. Limited space. Your in-laws might still find you. Now, let's talk about the mini luxury villa kit for $12,999. Yes, you heard that right. Luxury. Modern and luxury design. Aesthetically pleasing with a sleek, contemporary look. Ready to ship and easy to assemble. Prefabricated structure allows for quick setup with minimal effort. Compact and functional. Includes space for a bedroom, small kitchen, and bathroom for a comfortable living experience. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Uses energy-efficient materials, reducing environmental impact. Affordable housing solution. Ideal for those looking for a budget-friendly, stylish, and portable home. Versatile usage. Perfect for full-time living, a guest house, Airbnb rental, or vacation retreat. This mini luxury modular prefab home is perfect for individuals or couples seeking affordable, modern, and mobile living, combining convenience with contemporary design. This foldable home is perfect for adults who want to live like royalty. In a shoebox. Advantages: luxury. It's got the word in the name, so you know it's fancy. Foldable, because who doesn't want a luxury taco? Ready to ship, no waiting, just living. Setup, cost, delivery, $1,500, because luxury doesn't come cheap. Assembly, $3,000, unless you're a luxury taco expert. Disadvantages, it's still a tiny home. Your luxury yacht won't fit inside. Foldable, one strong wind and your luxury villa might become a luxury pancake. Next up, we have the expandable 40 feet luxury house for $19,999. This one's for the big dreamers who still want to live small. With 3 bedrooms, it's perfect for families or people who really love closets. Advantages: expandable. It's like a transformer, but for living in. Luxury. Because why live small if you can't live fancy? Spacious. Well, spacious for a tiny home. Setup, cost, delivery, $2,000, because transformers need gas. Assembly, $4,000, unless you're Optimus Prime. Disadvantages: it's $19,999. That's the top of our budget, so no room for a tiny gold toilet. Expandable. If you forget to lock it, your house might expand into your neighbor's yard. Large and expandable expands to provide 3 bedrooms, offering more space than traditional tiny homes. Modular and prefabricated comes ready for quick and easy assembly, reducing construction time. Full living space includes bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living area for a comfortable home experience. Affordable luxury. A cost-effective alternative to traditional housing, providing modern living at a fraction of the price. Eco-friendly and energy efficient, designed with sustainable materials and insulation for efficient energy use. Portable and versatile, ideal for permanent living, vacation homes, rental units, or off-grid housing solutions. This spacious, high-quality modular home offers the perfect blend of affordability, modern design, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for individuals, couples, and families looking for a flexible, stylish, and comfortable living space. Last but not least, we have the 2-story container house for $18,200. Yes, 2 stories. It's like a skyscraper for tiny home enthusiasts. With 5 bedrooms, it's perfect for people who can't decide how many rooms they need. Advantages: 2 stories, double the space, double the fun, expandable. Because 1 story is so 2023. Portable. Take your house on the road and confuse everyone at the RV park. Setup, cost, delivery, $2,500, because 2 stories need a bigger truck. Assembly, $5,000, unless you're a crane operator. Disadvantages: it's $18,200. That's almost $19,000. So no room for a tiny hot tub. 2 stories. If you forget to lock it, your house might become a staircase. Spacious 2-story design maximizes living space with multiple floors for added comfort. Expandable and foldable. Easy to transport, set up, and expand based on your needs. Flexible layout. Can be configured with 1 to 5 bedrooms, making it suitable for individuals, couples, or families. Full living amenities. Comes with a kitchen, bathroom, and essential utilities for a complete home experience. Affordable and modern. A budget-friendly alternative to traditional housing with a sleek, contemporary look. Eco-friendly and energy-efficient, uses sustainable materials for a lower environmental impact. Portable and versatile. Perfect for permanent homes, vacation rentals, guest houses, or business spaces. This affordable, stylish, and highly functional tiny home provides an innovative living solution, combining affordability, flexibility, and modern design for those looking for a comfortable and efficient home. So there you have it, folks. 5 tiny homes under $19,000 that prove you don't need a mansion to live large. Whether you want a foldable taco, a luxury villa, or a 2-story skyscraper, there's a tiny home for you. Just remember, living small doesn't mean dreaming small. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to fold my house into a burrito. Until next time, stay tiny.